Nano Banana AI Pro is one of the AI tools right now that you can use to generate any image you want. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to Nano Banana Pro. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this.
So to get access to this Nano Banana AI Pro, all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video. I'm going to leave down the link to this platform, which is called Higgsfield.ai. Yes, you can access Nano Banana AI Pro on Higgsfield.ai. You are going to see it. Now, when you come to the interface, you are going to see it here. As you can see, it says unlimited 4K Nano Banana AI Pro. You are going to see it here. And you're also going to see it when you click on images here. As you can see, when you click on images here, you're also going to see it here. As you can see, you are going to see it here. Nano Banana Pro, you are going to see it here just the way you are seeing it right here like this. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to where you are going to start using this Nano Banana AI. Now, let me click on it. Now, as you can see, it is opening. So let's just give it some minutes and it's going to open. So, and one thing I love about this Nano Banana AI, it creates amazing images that you never even think it can create. Nano Banana AI Pro can generate a lot of things. Now, when you check here, you are going to see Nano Banana AI Pro here. As you can see, it is in Nano Banana AI Pro right now. Now, you can also change the resolution, not like other Nano Banana AI that you cannot change the resolution. As you can see, this is the resolution here. You can change your resolution, and you can also change your standard quality, as in your quality of your image. You can generate up to 4K. As you can see, 4K. You can see it here. You can select 4K and it's going to generate. This is also where you are going to also select your result here. Now, so you can start using it and start generating your images. Now, I want us to give it a prompt and see, so that it can generate that image for us and see how it's going to generate the image for us. Now, this is the prompt. I just pasted my prompt. Now, let's click on generate. Now, it's generating the image for us.